Sir, can I start?
Yes, Akshay, you can start.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, friends. My topic for presentation is robotic process automation, commonly known as RPA. So these are my contents for today. Introduction, literature survey, brief on system, and conclusion and references. So talking about RPA. So let's us first understand this with an very common example. Whenever we visit to any website, we see a chatbot at the end of the screen. These chatbots are commonly present in every website for guiding us for solving our queries. Uh, these are the process used behind that chatbots are is known as RPA. So why should we use that process? Why not humans can do that work? The answer is very simple, because robots make zero mistakes. Also, they are cost efficient, and robot never sleeps. And the amount of cost gets reduced when we use that system. Uh, Not only in chatbots, the uh, application of RPA is very vast. They can use for copying the data, pasting the data, um, and it is said that a chatbot, RPA chatbot, can perform around 600 works in a sequence. Uh, Talking about some literature survey, 95% of the work that humans, 45% of the work that humans do can be automated. This From this figure we can see how scope is there for RPA. Around $2 trillion should be saved in workforce spending. Means the amount of money we spend in humans or workers can be reduced, which is a huge amount of 2 trillion. 94% of CEOs which work in RPA believes that RPA helped them to increase their productivity, and by 2025, 25% of job will be robotized. This shows how much scope is there in future for the RPA. Talking about the facts and figures, according to NASSCOM, RPA implementation provides companies with a cost efficient of 35 to 65%. And according to the Institute of Robotic Process Automation, uh, an RPA software costs about 1/5 of the human worker. Means if you are paying about 100 rupees to a worker, uh, only with 20 rupees you can make the similar work or more efficient work with the help of the RPA. And according to Deloitte, an RPA robot is capable of performing a list of 600 actions in a given sequence, as I told you before. And Forested prediction states that RPA will reach an exponential growth to 2.9 billion in 2021. There are many startups in this new technology, among which Automation Anywhere has raised around 550 million, which is a very big amount in any for any startup funding. And also another startups like UiPath also raised around 500 millions in this technology. Also in recent, means I was searching for the literature survey in past few days. I have gone through one blog which was published in Forbes, and that blog was of Microsoft, that Microsoft has already started its implementing RPA, and which shows us that big multinational companies are also sees the scope of RPA in future. Uh, we are we will be There will be no surprise that other MNCs like Google, Facebook will also invest in RPA in future. So how RPA works, as I told you before, with the help of the chatbot example. So directly we should start. I think we should go with the advantages of RPA implementation. Uh, the example is call center operation. We are going to take the advantages of that. So the first advantage is shorter average duration call. Means if an average human spends around 5 minutes, the same query will be solved within less duration with more effectiveness. Reduces the error to a maximum extent, improves communication, optical use of resources, automated responses and triggers. Thank you.